Is your Wi-Fi is slow, buffering, or dropping speed? Like this video will fix in minutes. Slow Wi-Fi usually doesn't mean that is what about your internet plan. It is more about your router placement, settings, or interference that is being making the Wi-Fi slow. The first thing that everyone is using whenever we have the slow internet is restart your modem and restart your router. What Intel it exactly do? This clears the memory and fix temporary network issues. And I'll give you a pro tip like try to restart your modem first. Once your modem is fully back up or fully online, then you can just go ahead and start your router. The second tip that I can give you is about router placement. That is the most important thing I can say, because sometime what happens, some people put the router in some kind of cabinets. Whenever we put the router in the cabinets, the problems that we are struggling is that signals is like lost itself in the cabinets. Try to put the router in the place or in the center of your house, not to the near the walls or not too near any kind of metal object. That is my second tip. Third thing is that if you have too many devices, like if you have more than 30 devices, 40 devices, you have computers, cell phones, iPhones, iPads, Alexa, Roku, Fire Stick, garage door opener, ring doorbell. In that case, if you have more than 30 or 40 devices, sometime what happen, you need to get an extender just to get more coverage at the area where you have the dead zones. So in this case, definitely you can add on an extender and then you can set up the extender as a repeater mode or as an access point. In the further videos, we'll be going to more discuss about how to set up those extenders and what are the basic difference between repeater modes and the extender modes. The third thing and the last thing that I can discuss is about the Wi-Fi band. You can see that Wi-Fi bands are something like 2.4G and the 5G. What is the basic difference between the two? Like the 2.4G covers a large area, but on the other side, 5G network covers the less area, and how they are different. 2.4G is gives you a low speed, but the area, the bandwidth of the network is pretty high as comparison to the 5G. 5G gives you high speed internet, a very high speed internet, but the bandwidth is pretty slow. So that is the other thing that I want to discuss. And another thing that you can definitely check is about the software. If the router does not update it from a long time, just to be make sure you can update your router to the latest software, then definitely that will help your router to increase the bandwidth and increase the performance. And whenever you do all these steps, definitely try to check the speed test. One is before doing any of these troubleshooting steps, one is after doing all these troubleshooting steps. I'm pretty sure that'll help you. And the last thing that I can provide you is to change the channels if possible. You can put the channels either on auto, or you can change it to 211 or 13 in case of 2.4G. And if I do talk about in the case of 5G, you can go with auto. That is the best one, or else you can try 153. That is the other best that I can recommend you. And I'm sure like these are the steps that can help you to get a better internet speed. But if still the problem is persisting, there might be the chances that you have to get a new router, as there are a lot of router comes in the market with a Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7. Then definitely you can go ahead and check that too. But I'm pretty sure these are the hacks and the simple things that can help your device to get a better internet speed. I hope this video will help you to resolve the slow internet problems. But if you still need any help, you definitely write down your comment in the comment section, and then we'll definitely work together like a team in order to give you the better solutions. Thank you. Goodbye.